All right, Prince, listen. I'm going to let out your boys, but I don't want to see you guys fighting, okay? I'm going to give you fair warning. I know you're staring at me. I don't want to see you guys fighting, okay? I'm going to let them out. First, let me grab my mother behave stick, because I will knock them out if they start fighting. Come on, Prince, let's go. I'm telling you, you guys better not fight, because I'm gonna really knock you out this time. All right, boys, I'm gonna let you guys out. There's a fair warning, especially you, Chino. Hey, you, don't fight. You see, you're picking at me already. Look at this. So don't start fighting, because I will put you back in there. All right, guys, behave good. You guys got about, let me see, where's the sun? You got about 3 hours of chilling time. All right, was rec time, as if you were in prison. This is your rec time, so behave good, guys. Look at Prince over there. What's up, Prince? You watching your girls? He used to be in there, but he got too violent, so I had to take him out. Originally, I ordered 14 hens and 1 rooster. I ended up with 14 hens and 3 roosters. I think they figured they were doing me a favor, but they really weren't. So these girls, they got this 35-foot run all to themselves and this 10 by 8 hen house. I mean, they got it good. Fan in here, plenty of windows. And then you got 3 solar power exhaust fans. You got more windows here, the egg hutch. You got that fan in there, it's chilling. They got it good, they can't complain. And this was a last minute setup for some extra material I had, because these roosters getting big and they were all fighting inside the run, so I had to get these 2 out. That there's Chino, that there's Blue Boy, and the other one, he used to hang out with the girls, he's Prince. Well, he's gonna keep an eye on this one. Blue Boy, he's kinda, and these motherfuckers are big, they're heavy duty. But this one, he's really frisky. I gotta keep an eye on him. You see how he's getting? Don't get too close to me. I don't trust him. And the spurs are growing in now. Look at him, look at him. Look, don't. I'm not doing nothing, I'm walking past you. So chill. But he is a healthy looking one. Those are black Australorps. And here go all the girls. I have a couple of blue egg layers. I don't know what breed they are. Black Australorps and Rhode Island Reds. So we lost one when she was a little chick. So I got 13 left. I get an average of 10 to 11 eggs daily. Even in those cold winter days we just passed. So I guess they must be happy. Let me back up a little bit. Whoop, there we go. This setup here, I kind of got a bunch of different ideas from my YouTube, Instagram research, and that's how I decided to do this one. The wife wanted the Dutch doors. Watch out, Prince. The wife wanted Dutch doors, so she asked for it, and of course I comply. All right, girls, everybody's nice and quiet now. Prince is out there, he stays outside. He watches the perimeter, make sure nobody gets too close to the girls. But I guess now he realized the other 2 are hanging out under the run, and he doesn't like that. All right. Signing out. Have a good day.